doggy getting wet. Where's your brother gone? Look how pretty that bush is. Purple and white. It's so pretty. I like that bush. Very colourful. Oh, there he is. What's he doing over there? He's sniffing. Fluffy butt in the rain. Yes, it's raining again. But this time it's a cyclone. So we've got Cyclone Kimmy that's coming through at the moment. So we're just catching the edge of it. So it's not, it is raining, but not raining heavily. Not really. It's just sprinkling. Just raining. Normal rain. Normal rain. He said, I'm getting wet, Dad. I might come under the shelter, under the tree. Nice and sheltered. And I just got a droplet right in my eye. Dear. He says, there's this water coming down, Dad. What's this water stuff I'm smelling? She's not getting wet. I don't like being wet. He used to like being wet. He was the one that was always not wanting to be wet, but now he wants to be wet and she doesn't. Weird how they change as they age. Wolf wouldn't go into a creek, he wouldn't go anywhere near a creek. The other one that would go into the creek and go for a swim, and now Big Boy likes going into creeks and go for swims. Hey, Big Boy. This is a bit weird. This is cool, Dad. Oh dear. So this cyclone is supposed to be affecting us for a few days. It's category 2 at the moment, so they're reporting heavy rain, or they're giving a warning for heavy rainfall and flash flooding. Just the normal. Yeah, happy boy, eh? Who likes a hot curry? This was a green curry. Good stuff. Nothing like a good healthy curry. I bet he's been steamy after this one though. Milk everywhere. It's hot. I'll just eat this now. So this was a curry, and I just put dog food in it. And it's just good stuff.